It is.
Okay,
Right now it's
hailing.
hailing.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
Wow.
my God.
That is-
seen hail!
I've seen. Oh my gosh.
Yes, there's hail everywhere.
We gotta turn off the lights. That's what my mum and dad say. You have to save the
Energy.
electricity.
Oh my god.
Okay, guys, this is update
Hail.
4.
And there's hail.
But-
I haven't seen hail in so long. Oh my gosh. Imagine like big humps. That's so
Do
scary.
you know hail can break windows?
Hold on, I need to pray.
And cars. Wait,
Yeah. They can break through windows and cars.
wait.
Yes,
It's just like chucking like this is a spring. Look at that.
Okay, I'm done.
Look at that.
That's scary.
What if it broke the window?
Then that's what's sad. Oh my god.
Okay, this is
Update number 4.
I feel like it
more
would
dangerous.
It would be category 4 if it were a thunderstorm,
Yeah.
like a tornado. I think. I don't know.
What
it would be-
categories?
Categories like the amount of dangerous. I don't know. How come that fence isn't even wet?
How come what?
That fence isn't even wet. In
Doesn't
America,
look wet. They had a hurricane in America. They had a hurricane in America and it was category 2.
It was.
And it was in Texas. No, they moved to
Oh my
Texas.
God.
Most
It
people
keeps
moved to
slipping on me.
Texas.
Okay, guys, we will be back. We're gonna go check the cake.
Okay,
No,
we're
we're not. Okay. Oh, Dad.
What's he doing?
Dad's gonna get. Wait, he picked up. Let's look at this hail. Can we see? Dad, show me the hail in your hand.
Have a look at it. All the big, you see the big white.
Wait, someone record.
Fuck yeah, it's getting bigger.
Holy